welcome to another working day. Before we get started, I will make a little explanation. What I have here behind me is a 3D printed supercar 121. I am calling it the pure unfiltered supercar. Actually, it's a concept car, but supercar, the term supercar is easier to understand. It will look like this scale model here when it's complete. The data for the build come from the same scale model data here, but I did make a lot of refinements after reviewing this scale model. So I am calling the pure unfiltered supercar because this car is going to be a love or hate situation. It will not be comfortable. It's not going to be bigger. It's going to be actually smaller. When I say that is when you think about modern day supercar, even just look at a C8 and a 480 Ferrari, their package is getting bigger and bigger, getting much more comfortable, a lot of electronics and amenities. The question is that, for me, is that a pure driving machine? I don't think so. I don't like the idea that there are decision makers who decided this is what you should buy. It's kind of like universal design. When you design a seat in a package for a fifth percentage child to a 95th percentage child, and who does it actually fit? The biggest person, of course, not the people in between, because it needs to fit the biggest guy. So that's why I want to build something that's for me. I don't need cup holders. I want the experience to feel like a LMP car F1, although I might not be able to achieve that kind of performance. But when I drive, I want to have that kind of experience, that kind of feeling. It just fits me like a glove. What I have to work on today is not going to be something fun. There are the parts for the back to strengthen it on the table. I printed these parts yesterday. I went back into the computer and built some more data. I need to take off the supports for these parts. They're going to be for the wing. And these go behind, underneath of the over fenders. So does this one. It has a longer reach and it's supporting a part of it. These are connectors. These I need to take off a lot of support. They're fillers. Yes, I was working on the one of the sides. Oh my gosh, yes, there's a lot of sanding to this one. This is the last part I can work on today. It's already 6, getting tired. This goes in here to support that flimsy wing. This is the easiest one today. Okay, it's held in place. Today I was able to only complete the fender, feeling of the fender. Unfortunately, it's in black, but so I think the camera's not going to appear as exciting because it's black. I think it's looking pretty good. And then this piece today connected this and added this. So right now this is all backside work, and maybe on the weekend I'm going to go in and build a board for this and make some supports to hold the bonnet. Well, thank you very much, and see you next time. Today I was able to only complete the fender. Feeling of the fender unfortunately is in black, but so I think in the camera it's not going to appear as exciting. I think it's looking pretty good. And then this piece today connected this and added this. So right now it's just a lot of backside work, and maybe on the weekend I'm going to go in and build a board for this and make some supports to hold the bonnet. Well, thank you very much, and see you next time.